What's good? Welcome back over to the channel. We are back in the Upper Peninsula of Michigan this weekend for a second week of riding in a row. I wasn't planning on coming up this weekend, but when I saw the big storm coming and they were predicting 16 to 30 inches up here, there's no way I could pass this up. Snowed pretty much all night. I think we picked up close to 6 to 8 last night, and they are predicting another 11 to 18 today into tomorrow. And yeah, I'm just stoked to be riding up here 2 weekends in a row. Absolutely blessed to be able to do this. Guys, look at this. We are going to be the first people on the trail today with all this fresh snow. Oh my God. This is unreal. Oh yeah. Let me get some of this, baby. This is it right here. There's some snow, boys.
They got some snow.
There's like probably a foot plus. This is the most snow the backcountry's seen.
So that guy,
yeah,
he's like, is this part of the trail? I don't know. He goes, oh, he goes, I was just following you guys.
It's pretty minty out here. Guys, pontoons for days! Another fresh logging road, guys. This is just surreal. We probably have anywhere from 10 to 15 inches of fresh snow down now. And just checked the forecast when we were stopped. Another 12 to 15 coming tonight into tomorrow morning. It is going to make for some spectacular riding once again tomorrow. And God, I cannot wait to get a Chaos 9R one day. To riding snow like this with my Pro. Yes, I love this sled, and these are so nimble and so agile. But there's something about those Chaos 9Rs that just, oh, I want one so bad. This season I've really been getting into tree riding, just learning how to side hill and riding the trees. But nothing beats going back to my roots and just bashing through these logging roads. This is so much fun. Woo! I mean, this is over the hood snow, guys. This is This is a very respectable snow right now.
That's something I do. I've been riding, rolling, drinking, smoking. That's something